You know that feeling when a coworker asks you how to do something, you explain it, and then 2 weeks later, same question, different person. And you're sitting there thinking, how many times do I have to re-explain everything? In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can document any process in Tango just by doing it once. You just do the task once and the how-to guide builds itself in the background. No more spending hours screenshotting, getting into meetings, or writing instructions. Anyone on your team can follow the guide on their own. You document it once, share the link, and that question never comes back to you again. And the best part is you can get started for free. The link is in the description. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you are completely unfamiliar, Tango is a browser extension that watches you perform a process, and as you click through the steps, it automatically captures screenshots, highlights exactly where you click, and writes descriptions for each step. By the time you're done, you will have a fully formatted, professional-looking guide that's ready to be shared, embedded, or exported. You literally just do the task, and Tango documents it for you in the background. To get started, you can go to the website at tango.ai and then click the download Chrome extension button over here. You will be taken to the extension store. Just download the Tango extension and then you will be asked to sign up for an account. You can use your Google account or work email. And once you're signed in, you will see the Tango dashboard. This is where you can manage all saved guides. You can now open any tool you want to cover. For example, I'll launch my project management tool, which is ClickUp. To start creating the guide, click the extension button on the browser and then just open the Tango extension. Over here, you can click Start Capture and then simply go through your process and Tango will capture every step along the way. Let's say I want to demonstrate how to invite coworkers to ClickUp. I can click on the Invite button down here, then enter the email of the coworker. Next, I can select the role for this user, whether it's member, guest, or a custom role. I will leave it at member and then click Send Invite. A notification will be shown down here. Now that the guide is completed, I'll simply head down to the bottom corner, click the check mark, and my first Tango guide is now available. You will be directed to the draft page where you can polish the guide further. We can see a name has been added. Tango tries to predict the context of the guide to write the title, send ClickUp member invitations. You can change the name if you need to, and then you can edit each step, update the step name, and then add some description. And then this one is correct. And then the fourth step here should be select member role. And the description will be limit what the user can do. Alright, the rest seems correct. You can also edit the screenshots. For example, if there is some sensitive information you want to remove from the guide, you can absolutely do that. Click the image and then edit screenshot. And now you can select the blur tool, then highlight the area you want to blur. Okay, Tango will also try to find similar area on all steps and ask if you want to blur them out as well. So let's find matching steps. And now we can see all matching steps. We can add or remove a step here. And then there's also the notification showing the same email, but we can't blur that from here. We need to handle that part separately. For now, let's blur the steps. And Tango will proceed to blur the requested parts. Alright, it's finished. So let's blur the last part as well in the notification panel. Blur the email here. Fantastic. We can also add other things like an arrow to point from A to B, and then maybe add some text. A notification will appear here. We can move or resize the text, and you can polish it as much as you like. Once you're done, just click Save, and now the screenshot is edited. Now the guide is ready, it's time to share the guide with your coworkers. Simply click the Share and Export button and the guide will be moved from draft to the team library. From here, you can share it as a link. Just copy the link and then drop it in your group chats like Slack or Teams channel. Here is an example. Or you can also embed the guide, create a video slide that you can integrate to your internal documentation apps. We can see the preview on this page. The video can be played in higher speed as well. Let's try to embed this guide into Notion. Select the app from the embed list here, and then click Copy Embed. Next, just open Notion, and then paste the link on the right page. Select Paste as Embed, and with that, the guide is now available in Notion. Next, you can also export the guide either as HTML or PDF file. The pin feature is used to create a small pin directly on the app, so others can click to follow the guide. Once the Tango is created, pin it to a specific button or area, and then when you onboard a new member or a coworker need a guide, they immediately see the pin, which they can click to follow the recorded guide. Once you share the guide, your coworker doesn't just get a document to read, they also get a live walkthrough inside the app itself. They can click the Guide Me button over here, and Tango directs them to the app, and then walks them through every step in real time right there inside the app. You can see on the screen here, there are tips and highlights pointing to exactly where they need to click and click up. No more back and forth, no wait, which button do I need to click again? They just follow the highlights and get it done on their own. So you've documented and shared your process, but how do you know if your team is actually using it? Well, you can go to your Tango workspace, hover on any Tango here, and you will see this menu. Click the triple dots icon, and you can select the Analytics button. Here, you can look through data such as the overviews and the amount of completions for the Tango. Right now, it's still empty. You can even look at viewer activity to see who's been active with your Tango. Tango Analytics shows you what's working and what's not across your team workflows. You'll see which guides are being used, where people are getting stuck, and who might need a little extra help. Alright, so who would actually get the most value out of this tool? Tango is not just for IT or software departments. If you manage a team and you're constantly answering the same questions about how to do something in a specific tool, then Tango is the fix. As you just saw, you record the process once, share the guide, and point people to it every time the question comes up. No more hopping on calls to do the same thing for the 100th time. For new employees, Tango makes new hires productive faster. Instead of scheduling hours of screen shares in their first week, you can hand them a collection of pre-made guides for every tool and process that they need to learn. They go through them at their own pace, and they can revisit them anytime they forget a step. Finally, if you are a freelancer or an agency building things for clients, Tango is incredible for guiding clients too. You build a website or set up a system for a client, and instead of doing a screen share to explain how everything works, you can create Tango guides for every process that they will need to manage. It's professional, saves you time, and the client can refer back to it forever. Big companies like Salesforce, Gusto, and Klaviyo already use Tango. Over 3 million guides have been created on the platform. This isn't a new tool or untested, it's already proven at scale. Now, if you're wondering how much it actually costs, as mentioned earlier, Tango has a free tier that lets you create and share up to 5 guides. That is enough to try it out and see if it fits your workflow. No credit cards needed, you just install the extension and start capturing. There is also the Pro plan, which is about $22 per user per month when billed annually, and this one gives you unlimited guides, desktop capture beyond just the browser, advanced analytics, and more customization options. For larger organizations, there is an enterprise plan with pin features, automation, advanced security, admin controls, and dedicated onboarding support. For most individuals or small teams, the free plan is a great place to start, and you can always upgrade to a paid plan when you use up your first 5 guides. And that will be all for today's video. If you or your team spends a huge chunk of your work time explaining how to do things in software, answering the same process questions over and over, or manually creating training materials which consumes hours, then Tango is definitely something you want to try. It takes a few seconds to install and get it running. After that, your first guide probably takes about 2 minutes to create. And from that point forward, every process you capture is one less question someone has to ask and one less call or Zoom meeting that you have to hop on. You can find the link to get started in the description, no credit card required. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tools and tutorials. Thank you for watching until the end, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in other videos.